Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I am going to be deep condition my hair for hair growth. The two ingredients that I'm going to be working with today is rice and okra. Okay, okra also work in terms of hair growth because some people are using it to do a living condition. All right, so I am going to be working with rice today and okra. So that's enough. I am going to add water to my rice because we need to wash it. Okay, have to wash it again. So wash it twice. Okay, and I'm going to add the rice inside this water. So this is just normal water. I did not add salt to it. All right, I am done washing my okra. Okay, so I am going to slice it now, then I'll add it to my rice. I should have boiled it separately, but I don't have another little pot to cook it. Okay, so for that I am going to be cooking everything together. All right, so it's for all hair types. Okay, it's for all hair types. Children can also still use it. All right, I'm going to add it to my pot now, so stay tuned. I'm going to add my okra to it now, so that's it. So this is my rice. You don't need to add this thing to it. You don't need to add salt because it's not for eating. So we are going to use it to deep condition our hair for hair growth, my hair. So that's it. So we'll leave it to cook. All right, let me add a bit of water to it. So that's it. We'll leave it to cook for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll come and check on it. Okay, stay tuned. I want to check on it. So it's ready. It's very done, you know. So I want to blend it now. So guys, this is it. This is it. So I'm going to be adding my egg growth oil to it. So in case if you don't have this egg growth oil, you are free to add olive oil or coconut oil if coconut oil is good on your hair. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything together. So guys, this is it. I want to apply it on my hair now. So it's time to apply the deep condition that I just make. So this is my hair is growing. So let's see the length. Is okra and rice. So guys, if you want to grow your hair, so follow my page and subscribe to my channel. You're going to be seeing everything that I'm using. All right, this my hair is not up to 8 months old that I start treating it, you know. Are you seeing my hair? My hair grow day by day. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the difference? So guys, I am going to use this bag now to cover it for 30 to 35 minutes. If you are doing it for your child, for a baby, so you can leave it for 10 to 12, highest 15 minutes. So you go straight to wherever you are washing their hair to rinse it out, okay? Before applying any leave-in condition or hair growth oil or any hair cream that you are applying on their hair, that you are using on their hair, okay? Also with you too, also with me. All right. So I hope you guys understand what I just explained. All hair types can use it. So if you want to get a better result, you can apply it twice a week or 3 times a week. Okay, if you don't have a lot of time, so once a week is also okay. All right, thank you for watching. Please help me to be sharing my video.